This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Skuna United 3. My brother, how's it?
Sharp,
man. Yeah, how do you feel about game tonight?
Get disappointed too much because Chiefs in the Sabah. If we check, the ball back too much, and then coming to attack, Bashabile Lele. And then Skukuni, they are too clever. Those boys at the back. Babo no Chiefs. They are playing with Lelep. They are closing Lelep or is not get a move or a corner score the ball. Then is how they are going to play in the middle. Then Baba Kono create a goal with it. That is why they are breaking Kaizer Chiefs. And then coming back, coach or wrong. You can't put Frosla Alemo out of form. More benching as a so at least maybe na chancho check mfano nataka mona today more benching even more like Solomon's yeah I was but anyway because what's saying but only the foul I know that guy or only sprinting you can rana mo pela gago o tlo tshwara ball but that boy is running until to the post
exactly
so that is a problem Kaizer Chiefs must fix it so rebuke him too much
like my brother all the best in future
team we better 3-1 even maybe 2-1 was better not
so maybe you wake up call
but get hard like Makosi for life can to eske sa ratanya mafelelo I'm closing now Ntawara Chiefs rejewa akadi supporters guys let's be patient our brothers and sisters right or Rarelemo Stadium we coming for lose or win or draw so if we lose we must not punching each other in the inside stadium jumping in the field inside end of the day Kaizer Chiefs will coming to fight.
Perfect.
Then the name is bad for us.
Hard
luck, guys. Sharp course.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.